Hey everyone, Jimmy with the Honda Transalp back again. I got a question on YouTube about the Transalp. Now that it's had the suspension done by Motorcycle Biz, what's it like on the road? Well, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go down this back road here. It's bitumen, but it's real pothole and it's been filled a million times, but it's really damaged. So what I'll do is I'll take you for a ride on this little road. I'll pull over and explain what I'm feeling on the bike. Back on the Transalp. Just going to put my visor down there for a second. You might be able to hear me a little bit better. Alrighty. I don't know if you can see here, if you look at the floor, very rough. I'm on the Transalp. I'm trying to hit all the bumps. What I'll do is I'll hit every bump I can. Just a little bit of feedback there, hardly feeling it. The stock Transalp suspension was very plush. I'm going to do a little test in a second as well, just to explain a little bit as well what's happened with the suspension. So, factory stock suspension, I'm about 117 kilos. When I used to press the front brake, it would dive really bad. So I'll just do a little test there. I have a little bit of dive, but it's fully under control. And it doesn't dive all the way to the bottom. It's very progressive. I'll do it again. Very, very good. Very good. So in an emergency braking situation, you're not going to lose your composure, which I reckon happened to me early on with the Transalp. Just the suspension with my weight just being too soft. So I'm trying to hit every bump here. Don't know how well the camera's going to show it, but this road's very bumpy. The rear of the bike on the road, it sits up a bit higher, meaning there's a lot more suspension holding me up, if that makes sense. The sag's just not sagging all the way down. Also taking corners, the bike's more controlled. So this is your classic Australian back road bitumen, just Humpty Dumpty everywhere. Yeah, so the suspension's handling it great, really is. I don't know if you can see on the other side, it's a lot more worse, so I might turn around and come that way. Yeah, definitely, you see all that bad corrugation there. Oh, a bit here, look, boom, straight on it, straight on it. Felt that one. But like I said, more composed. Look at this, patched a million times. Oh, and if anyone's paying attention, I got the AliExpress risers, adjustable ones, and for my height it's just taking the wind right across the top of my helmet. So an improvement for me, and if I got in the rough stuff, I've got an Allen key, I can always put it down. But I'm doing a bit of commuting at the moment, so I'll keep her up. Here's a prime example of rough. So I'm going to hit all this rough stuff on me here. I'm trying to make it rough, but it's not really happening. Yeah, so just in sports mode, let's give it. hope you like that little video, guys. So just to recap, the Transalp now is a lot more stiffer on the road, less sag, less braking emergency situations. The front end doesn't dive in. When it hits a real hard bump on the road, it's a bit stiffer, but most other bumps you don't really feel on the road, so that's a bonus. And yeah, and if you enjoyed that video, guys, give it a like and a thumbs up, and it does help, and I do appreciate it. And lots more content coming now that I'm all set up, so stick around, and yep, till the next one. Jimmy, boom.